I spent 10 years looking for a door that stayed open. My father always said the sky don't owe you rain. I'm sitting here watching the dust settle on my boots. The dog is twitching and asleep on the wood. There is a hole in the screen where the moths get in. I used to worry about the cost of fixing things, but the air feels good coming through the mesh tonight, and I don't need to be anywhere else but here. This is the only breath, right here, right now, right here, here in the dirt. God is a heavy stone. Oh, hold it close, and I am finally holding it. I tried to build a life out of tomorrow's paycheck, but that math never quite worked out for me. Now I scrub the grease off this old iron pan. The water is hot enough to turn my skin red. My hands are shaking from the work and the age. I don't look at the calendar on the fridge anymore. The paper is yellow and the ink is mostly faded, just like the person I thought I was supposed to be. This is the only breath, right here, right now, right here, here in the dirt. God is a heavy stone. Oh, hold it close, and I am finally holding it. The clock on the wall is a goddamn liar. It says there is more when there is less. Open your hands and let the ghosts out. Stop reaching for what hasn't happened yet. Just feel the wind hitting the port screen. Just feel the blood moving through your neck. Yeah, this is the only breath. Yeah. Right here, right now, right here in the dirt. God is a heavy stone. Hold it close, and I am finally holding it, just holding it. The dog is awake now. The dog is going now. The sun is going down, and that is enough for me.